Welcome back, guys. Here we are at the 6-month mark of our layered coatings and sealants longevity test, this being update number 9. Things are starting to cool off, so let's see if anything has been affected by that. These products have been reacting a bit weird on the last update or two, so let's see if that continues. So again, the last 30 days weather and lifetime weather, it's on your screen here. If you would like to support the channel, all you have to do is hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below if you've used any of these. As usual, let's foam things down using Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam. Rinse it, foam it again, wash it with an Australian sheep's wool wash mitt, and then rinse again to inspect the hydrophobic properties before we dry everything off. So with that out of the way, let's see how things are getting on. So first up, Nanobond, Meguiar's, Avalon. It said we've already seen that Griot's 3-in-1 had failed 4 and 5 months, which is unusual for that product at any layer, 1, 2, 3, 5, etc. But looking at Nanobond, it is starting to get weak, and it's traditionally lasted around a year. But it looks like maybe the third layer, 3 layers, it's reacting differently. I don't know what would cause that. Meguiar's hybrid paint coating. Again, 8 to 12 months is what you should probably expect out of that one. And 1 layer definitely not holding up like the others. So we are seeing some results here. 2, 3, 5 layers on down there. Meguiar's hybrid paint coating definitely works better with 2. Absolutely. Big noticeable difference right there. To the point where, would we call that failed? It's sticking pretty good there. Avalon King and Sonax. Avalon King, I don't see any difference at this point with the different layers. Sonax we'd already called failed. New Finish Graphene. Sonax, 1 layer there, looks something weird going on there. But anyway, New Finish Graphene and Fuso. What do you think? I'm not seeing a huge difference in any of the layers there. Fuso, maybe 1 layer. Yeah, it's maybe the 1 layer showing slight difference with New Finish and maybe Fuso. On down, the surface tension breaking there. But yeah, Fuso and Meguiar's hybrid paint coating, maybe call that failed. Meguiar's is just not quite hydrophobic, but there is just a little bit that's giving way there. I don't know. That's a tough call. Would you call those failed at 6 months? Either one of those? All right. Well, there's your update, guys. 6 months, multiple layers. We are starting to see some differences, especially with Meguiar's, maybe Fuso, and some early failures with Griot's and Sonax. I said Sonax is tested in another test, and it's lasted around 7 months or so. So 5 to 7, sort of what you would expect to get out of that product, at least with 2 layers. So there's your update, guys. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon.